Hi students, welcome to our channel. இந்த வீடியோல நாம 10th standard இங்கிலீஷ்க்கு the public exam 2025 கான இம்பார்ட்டன்ட்டான क्वेश्चंस என்னென்னன்னு பார்க்க போறோம். இத பார்க்கிறதுக்கு முன்னால நீங்க இன்னும் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலைனா பண்ணிக்கோங்க. மறக்காம இந்த வீடியோக்கு லைக் பண்ணிட்டு வாட்ஸ்அப் சேனல்லையும் ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கிறீங்க. மொத்தம் இருக்கக்கூடிய இந்த 7 ப்ரோஸ்லயும் உள்ள முக்கியமான क्वेश्चंस. இந்த क्वेश्चंஸை மட்டும் நீங்க தரவா படிச்சாலே போதும். கண்டிப்பா 3 2 மார்க் क्वेश्चंसமே நீங்க அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணிடலாம். ப்ரோ செக்ஷன் பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் இதுல இருந்து கேட்கக்கூடிய எல்லா क्वेश्चंसமே அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணி ஃபுல் மார்க் ஸ்கோர் பண்ணிடலாம். சரியா? ஓகே, இப்போ ப்ரோஸ் 1 பாருங்க. his first flight. இதுல what did the young bird do to seek the attention of his parents? Why did the seagull fail to fly? What prompted the young seagull to fly finally? What made the young seagull go mad? How was the young seagull's first attempt to fly? Did the mother bird offer any food to the young bird? Why did the young bird utter a joyful scream? How did the parents support and encourage the young bird's brothers and sisters? What happened to the young seagull when it landed on the green sea? What was the first catch of the young seagull's older brother? சரியா? ப்ரோஸ் 1ல 17 क्वेश्चंसக்கு இந்த 10 क्वेश्चंस வந்து முக்கியமான क्वेश्चंस. அடுத்து ப்ரோஸ் 2. The night the ghost got in. What woke up the mother? Who were the narrator's neighbors? Why did Herman and the author slam the doors? Who used the zither and how? What did the Bardwells think when they heard the mother's shout? How did the cops manage to enter the locked house? What was the grandfather wearing? What did the narrator think the unusual sound was? 8 questions. மொத்தம் 19 questions இருக்குது. இதுல இந்த 8 question மட்டும் முக்கியமானது ப்ரோஸ் 2ல. ப்ரோஸ் 3. Empowered women navigating the world. இதுல 21 questionsக்கு 13 questions important. What does the term circumnavigation mean? Who mentored the crew? What does INSV stand for? When was INSV Tarini commissioned to the Indian Navy? Who is Tara Tarini? When did they witness the brilliant southern lights from the sea? Mention the special features of INSV Tarini. How many days did it take to complete the expedition? What sort of training did the crew undergo before their expedition? Mention the celebrations which the crew enjoyed during the expedition. What festival did they celebrate during their voyage? Which factor motivated the crew to undertake this expedition? Where did the crew undergo their basic training? இது ப்ரோஸ் 3ல உள்ள இம்பார்ட்டன்ட்டான questions. சரியா? Then ப்ரோஸ் 4. Why was the attic a favorite place for the children? Who were Aditya's ancestors? What was the daily routine of Sanyal? What did Aditya offer Sanyal? Where was Nagan uncle's shop? What was the condition of the attic? How did Sanyal show that he had a sense of self-respect? What did Aditya visit? Why did Aditya decide to visit his ancestral house? What was engraved on the medal? That's it. இது வந்து 4th ப்ரோஸ்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய முக்கியமான questions. Then 5th prose. How many people in India suffer with disability? What devices help David to move from one place to another? How does David operate computers with the Liberator communication device? How did Kim help Alisa? Do you think technology has improved communication? How? What are the benefits of the internet to the common man? Which software helps Alisa to overcome her difficulty in typing? Which devices are controlled using Act 4 controller? Which instrument does David control with his eye movement? Why is technology important according to David? சரியா? 5th lessonல இந்த 10 questions மட்டும். Then prose 6. What did M. Hamel say about the French language? What was France sorry for? How many years had Hamel been in the village? What kind of news was usually put up on the notice board? When and how did M. Hamill bid farewell to the class? Why did Mr. Hamill blame himself? Why did Franz dread to go to school that day? What were the various things that tempted Franz to spend his day outdoors, other than the students who were present in the class? Next prose 7 la, who arrested Smith? What were the charges against him? How was Holmes able to look sick? Who is Mr. Culverton Smith? What were the instructions given by Holmes to Watson? Why didn't Holmes let Watson examine him? Why didn't the landlady call the doctor? Who was Mrs. Hudson? Why was she worried? அவ்வளோதான் டோட்டலாக ஒரு 67 கொஷின்ஸ் மட்டும். சரியா? ஸோ இதை மட்டும் தரவாக படிங்க. கண்டிப்பாக எல்லா கொஷின்ஸுமே அட்டன் பண்ணிடலாம். ஓகேவா? தேங்க்யூ.